Why start your day with a body scan meditation?
A morning body scan meditation helps you reconnect with yourself. It encourages mindful awareness from the moment you wake up. By gently noticing your body and sensations, you set a calm, centered tone for the day. This practice can lower stress, improve focus, and support emotional balance, giving you a strong foundation in both mind and body.
Getting comfortable for your morning practice.
Find a quiet, comfortable spot like your bed or a chair. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your arms relax by your sides and take a few deep, slow breaths. This simple setup makes it easier to notice how your body feels and stay present, preparing you for a mindful practice right as your day begins.
Guided body scan, a step-by-step practice.
Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward. Notice sensations, tension, or comfort in each area: your forehead, jaw, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, back, and legs. Don't rush. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your body. The goal isn't to change anything, just to notice and accept.
Common benefits of morning body scan meditation.
This practice boosts self-awareness and brings calm. Regular morning body scans can help reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and make you more resilient to daily stress. Over time, you may notice greater connection with your body, more energy, and the ability to respond to challenges with patience and clarity.
Tips for making body scan meditation a habit.
Consistency is key. Try to practice your morning body scan at the same time each day. Start small. Even 5 minutes can be powerful. If you miss a day, simply begin again without judgment. Over time, this mindful routine can become a natural and helpful part of your mornings, supporting your overall well-being.